Hi, I'm Clara. Today we're not going to share the solutions of laser cutting machines. It will be a brief display of a 3000 watt laser cleaning machine. In this video, you can get the functions of laser cleaning, the operation, and the key points of operating or choosing laser cleaning machines. If you are new here, please do remember to subscribe to this channel and press the bell down. I could tell you a lot on industry lasers. If you don't know the laser cleaning machine, you cannot miss this part. I will tell you what laser cleaning machine can do. Laser cleaning is the process of removing material from solid, or sometimes liquid, surfaces by irradiation with a laser beam. The material is heated by the absorbed laser energy and vaporized or sublimated. Compared with traditional cleaning technologies, laser cleaning has obvious advantages in cleaning efficiency, accuracy, and positions, and can effectively avoid chemical corrosion cleaning and environmental pollution, and will not cause a lot of damage to the substrate. Laser cleaning has gradually become an indispensable cleaning technology in high-end manufacturing fields such as shipbuilding and aerospace, including the removal of raw dirt on the surface of the tire molds, the removal of silicone oil pollutants on the surface of gold films, and high-precision cleaning in the microelectronics industry, etc. According to the feedback from our customers, currently the rust removal, paint removal, oil removal, and oxidation layer removal of metal surfaces are the most widely used of laser cleaning. First, we need to confirm the power supply is 3000 watt requiring 380 watt. So please make sure the voltage and the frequency is consistent and the PE wire is necessary to be grounded. After the plug-in of the power supply, we need to check whether the gas is standby. Then we can turn on the general power. The correct booting order should be the key switch, water chiller, system, and last, the laser. Here we need to tell a notice at water chiller. When we press down the button of water chiller, we need to check the temperature of the water. If it's under 20 degrees, no further operation is required. We just need to wait until the temperature is more than 20 degrees. Because if it's under 20 and we turn on the laser button, there will be an alarm generated. Water temperature is above 20 degrees, press down the system button and then laser button. After the laser button is pressed down, we need to turn on the key switch on the laser source. Then wait several seconds. We'll see the two indicator lights are shining red color. After another several seconds, we'll see the indicator light on the left turns to green color. And after another several seconds, we can hear a D sound generated by the laser source. We press down the button here, it's shining. If we press down without hearing a D sound, the button will be not shining. After those steps, we can start cleaning by simple setting. The setting in software is very simple. We can choose a scanning mode, which there is 6 modes, telling them later. Set a suitable power, the scanning length, and the frequency. Then we can get the cleaning head, but please wear the proper protection tools like the anti-laser goggles. Holding the cleaning head is forbidden to point the laser outlay at any living body. With the cleaning head in hand, we must first determine whether there is a right light indicator at the end position of the laser beam. After confirming, we can click the shutter button on the bottom right of the cleaning head. After press down, the red light disappears, and then we press down the button here, it starts cleaning. If we finish the cleaning job, the order to shut down the machine, first turn off the shutter, close the protective cover of the lens, turn off the laser, system, water chiller, key switch, and last, the main power. Let's see the 6 scanning moths one by one. We have seen the parallel lines. Now look at the figure 8. The empty circle, the empty square, the filled circle, the filled square. Here, I would like to share some of my personal views on the laser cleaning. First, it's not that the greater the power, the better the cleaning effect. The greater the power, the greater the damage to the surface of the substrate, and the degree of damage to the consumables will be greatly increased. The unit price of the laser cleaned protective lens is much higher than that of the cutting machine. Second, the scanning width is not as wide as possible. The larger the width, the weaker the laser energy. This should be determined according to actual needs. My suggestion is about 300 mm. Third, whether the diversification of scanning modes is a practical option is a doubt. I can only say that I personally do not think it's a plus item. Just like the welding pattern, the circle has proven to be the most practical welding pattern. Same goes for laser cleaning. I think parallel lines are the most practical. Fourth, whether to choose pulse laser or continuous laser. This is a good question. In the case of pulse laser, it's relatively more precision and the damage to the base is basically zero, and the air-cooled model will be lighter and smaller, but the price is a little more expensive. Click the link above. You can see the comparative experimental data of pulsed and continuous laser in cleaning. Fifth, if remote cleaning is required, my suggestion is to extend the power wire, not the fiber optical cable, because the longer fiber optic cable means the improvement of laser energy attenuation. That's it. Hoping this video will help you to understand more on the laser cleaning machine. If you are looking for laser cleaning, please contact me by WhatsApp or mail. Please leave your comment below. I will make sure on comments. Thank you for watching. You can check another video if you still have the time. Bye. See you next Tuesday.